Hello everybody, today we would like to demonstrate how you can change the autofill on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, launch settings, then enter the dedicated Safari category. In here go for the autofill section, and in here you can either turn on or off the toggle that is responsible for the contact information autofill and credit cards autofill. You can edit the credit cards that are saved into here if you have any, add new ones, remove the old ones, and etc., or edit the data for the existing ones. When it comes to the contact information, it simply shows the data that is displayed on your card. So if you would like to change it, like your name, surname, address, just open the contacts, enter your card over here at the very top of the page, and well, edit the data. So you can change your name, your surname, maybe the company that you work at if you want to, as well as the email address, phone number, and what is, well, last but not least, some other stuff like home, address, city, country, birthday date, related name, and what's not. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.